our bestseller Airsal set.
Yeah.
It's the Puch Maxi. 3, 2, 1, go!
What are we gonna do with all this? Well, we've recently hit 10K.
Fans, welkom zurück zum Puchshop Show. Habt ihr euch vermisst? Habt ihr uns vermisst, Jungs? Ja, aber wir sind lange weg.
Ja.
Etwas länger gedauert als normal. Aber ich steige jetzt mal auf English and I want to introduce, of course, Stijn as a new co-host.
Yes.
Well, Stijn, of course, you are known in the scene, your own channel.
Yeah,
Mafketels.
Dutch though, so
Don't forget it, that's in Dutch. We wanted some more interaction.
yeah, we're doing a lot of social media. We've added a lot since I've joined as well. So
That's why English.
yeah, and that's why English comes in handy.
It isn't the problem.
No, I hope it turns out great.
Turns out great, but we will make the subtitles.
Yeah.
So, we're back.
Yeah,
Back again.
And you've already seen the introduction. Something you're probably wondering sometimes because you've got a 50cc, you want to upgrade, and then the question is, what does it do?
For this video, we will take our bestseller Airsal set.
Yeah.
It is also mentioned in the shop, bestseller. It is now on sale, I believe, at
Yeah.
10%.
Yeah.
It will stay that way, I guess, for the next few months.
Yeah.
And otherwise, we tell Stuart to keep it at 10%. And the exhaust was a question. And
Why?
we haven't tested it before
Yeah,
ourselves.
that's true as well.
It's true.
Yeah.
Well, we got it here.
Oh yeah, we got it over here.
Just a little thing. It's the Puch Maxi.
Yes.
It is a torque exhaust.
Definitely, yeah. Has a huge expansion, even though it doesn't require a lot of space because it's doing a snake.
Yeah.
It used to be called a snake, or didn't it?
A snake, yeah, snake.
Snake
Puch
exhaust.
Maxi snake.
Because
An exhaust we didn't test, like we said. That is because we are always in love with the Homewoods. The exhaust for the end speed.
or the MLM Silent Ninja.
Ooh, I
Yeah,
like that.
yeah, you like that one.
Another YouTube video where you can hear the sound and the decibels.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are gonna put it on our sticker bomb.
Yes.
Let's do it!
And where are the parts though?
What parts?
The set.
Oh, the Airsal set.
Yeah.
Ah.
Please stand by.
Hey, did Stijn already order parts?
Yeah, I thought maybe just grab the parts on film.
So the people can see how it works at Puchshop.
Exactly.
Oh, nice. Well, I'm going to print it. Just a moment. Oh, cylinder head, Stijn.
Yes. For that extra compression.
Yes, needle bearing.
The manifold, 15 mil.
Carburetor.
15 mil.
Oh, there's one already out of the package. What a coincidence.
Oh, definitely not for us.
Oh, the exhaust. That's the other side. Let's go.
That's a long walk. Come with us.
Come with us. And now we need to go back, boys. 408 C1. The most important. The cylinder. One thing, Stijn, we didn't tell with the set are no jets. Let's go back to the workshop.
First off,
Degreasing.
yes.
We saw in the order that we did a new needle bearing.
Yeah.
Well, the best thing is, of course, to mount it with a little bit of two-stroke oil. Don't take ATF, guys. A little bit is enough.
Yeah, and for the mounting as well, it's just the assembly goes way better if it's just a bit.
Way better. For our Airsal 70cc.
Pretty much the most trusted brand because everybody wants an Airsal.
Yep.
Crazy.
A very durable. Don't think an Airsal can't break.
And it's already very racy because it only has one piston ring.
One piston ring. What I'm doing now is put a little two-stroke oil again in the cylinder. It is just for the first few meters. Oh, I turned it a little bit.
Stuck in the port. Oops.
Yeah. Okay. You can mount a cylinder on two ways. I prefer this method. So with the piston already in the cylinder, now we need to put in the clips and the piston wrist pin
And you might need a gasket as
and the
well.
base gasket, of course. You can see that the ports of the Airsal cylinder are a little bit bigger than the ports, the transfer ports in the engine, of course. I always say, when you want to adjust the transfer ports to the cylinder, just do centimeter of this port, not more, because when you do, you're gonna lose a lot of compression. Also, the thing with transfer ports is you will only notice it on the high revs.
It's more like the throttle response, for example.
Yeah. That's way
the
more
flow,
interesting.
The flow is better.
Yeah.
But with torque as well, I mean, you do transfer a lot of more air and gas, of course,
Yep.
fuel.
Yep.
So you might need to do or use a bigger jet as well because of it. So that's also,
Yeah.
when you change those kind of things, always remember to also change every single thing.
Yep, two-stroke.
Don't forget just the things that you know that will always need to be there and need to stay there. Use Loctite, don't overdo it, and definitely don't use strong Loctite because
Use the blue one.
Yeah, just use the blue one. 12, maybe 14 Newton meters. You only tighten them that much, so it's not
Yeah.
even that much
At most.
either. Yeah.
At most.
Okay, so these clips are, so to say, G clips. You also got C clips, and you don't have anything in the middle to hold on to. So what you would like to do is you turn with them to go inside. So you might put one side in, for example, and then
Just turn it a little bit.
click.
Ooh! You don't have a lot of space, you have the 4 studs here in the way. You need to compress the piston ring and put it in the cylinder. If you do it like this, it will save you a lot of time and a lot of hassle.
And because we already mounted one clip, you can push the piston pen all the way to this side, and then yeah, you can just mount the other one.
Just turn it a little bit to check if it's okay. If the piston is in the lowest dead point, the transfer ports and the exhaust ports should be fully open.
Yeah.
Well,
That's called the BDC, bottom dead center.
bottom dead center.
Yes.
Onderst Startpunkt. Yeah.
Richtig, ja.
Yeah, that's our high compression head from the shop, which comes with the set.
When you already mounted everything, you need to tighten it. And that's done with torque wrenches. 10 Newton meters of torque, then tighten it right here. Cross tightening this whole thing. And there it is. Wow, timing. Click lock. Done.
Okay. Fits like a glove too. I always use them for my inlet manifold. A lot easier if you use this. Don't you need the rings under it? No.
Extended brass
Yeah.
nuts. We
Yeah.
got them in multiple sizes, multiple lengths, M6, M8 on our shop.
Quarter of a turn.
Yeah.
And it's more than enough. You don't want to overturn this all. In this specific carburetor, the jet is blank.
Yeah.
You need to buy some extra jets.
Yeah,
Well,
and multiple anyway because of the
Yeah.
tuning. Well, the normal explanation would be, because this sucks in way more air than a normal filter, original filter would do, you do need to compromise, so you also need a bigger jet.
this one, you need to
Modify it.
modify it. We also have a video of it.
This would normally be like this,
Closed?
and you opened it up, and it's still the same size that goes into your frame.
Yeah. Also, easily mount your engine covers. With this one, it gets a little bit difficult.
And the same goes with this, because this asks for way more mixture than the original exhaust does.
I guess we start with the 72.
Yeah, because of the exhaust as well. I mean, it's both gonna ask for more fuel.
Hook in the choke plate and mount it together. Tight is the best thing you want, because an air leak could also happen here. It's always here or here. Take the screwdriver. Don't over tight this one, because the carburetor can break. Then a little bit more. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, zeker weten.
We do. I thought it was already gonna start it, but we miss a huge thing. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
Oh, it's called the exhaust. You might be asking yourself, what are we gonna do with all this? Well, we've recently hit 10K. And that
10K?
Yes, 10K.
Finally!
Yes, finally. We actually said that he was going to stop if he didn't hit that before
Yeah.
2025.
Correct. Oh,
But we did it, yeah. So we thought, why not just give this all away for 10K? So after we test this, and hopefully it will not cease, then
it will not cease.
then we will be giving away the exhaust, the cylinder head, and the intake. So,
Even the exhaust?
Yeah, even the exhaust.
nice,
So
nice.
it's a nice set. Just mount it and boom, off you go.
Yeah, you know that it runs then.
Yeah, and with more details on how to win this, you should check the end of the video. Let's continue. Well, again, we're going to use those lengthened nuts for the studs. Assist it at the end and mount it first here, so you do 100% know that it is dead on here.
Straight.
And then you can always modify this, change this, something if it is not exactly right. This actually is beautiful. Why? You got those cooling fins, and that's very important for cooling, but it's also important to actually mount this properly. You can now, and they even made these oval holes instead of the round ones. You got all the space in the world. Again, don't over tighten this. And why this? Well, this can also bend, and very much bends. And it is tightened. I mean, it's tight.
With this set, we always recommend a B8. Shall we start it?
Yes,
First
please.
start. And what are we gonna do next when we go outside?
Well, I thought maybe just see what kind of difference does it bring to the table. What do you actually get out of this set? What's the difference? So
Do we have an original moped?
Yeah, you might have several.
The green one?
The green gauntlet.
It's totally stock.
Yeah.
And then, well, it would be a nice comparison.
Yeah, let's check acceleration. Do a drag race. Let's do everything.
Let's do a drag race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a funny
Okay,
difference.
nice.
Oh, traditionally.
Traditionally. Okay. Stein, how many kicks?
How many kicks?
What?
I would say, because the fuel's definitely there, I would say 2.
2 kicks. Ruben, our cameraman, how many kicks till it starts?
3.
3?
Yeah.
I say 6. Whoa! Yeah, because I don't know this yet.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Okay. Well, the first one doesn't count. I will
Yeah, just
little bit of compression
just to
test.
push. Yeah.
Well, ooh, it has compression enough. Okay, so this one
yeah.
doesn't count.
Okay. Okay.
Let's go.
Ah, no.
5.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah. 5, 6-ish. Yes.
Oh,
Upping the idle a tiny bit.
perfect. Well, oh, a little bit less. It was good. Well, woohoo!
Sounds nice.
The sound is good. We need to test it.
The fact that it started with choke, then kept on going idling
Without?
choke is
Pretty okay.
Yeah, that's
Pretty okay.
It's like, let's say 70% correct already.
Yeah, it's yeah. The choke is off indeed.
Yeah, so that's good.
Next up, we're going to our industrial racetrack.
Racetrack.
We'll see you there.
And we're on the racetrack, guys. We are here with the 50cc and
And our 70cc set.
now let's see what the difference will do on a I don't know how many meters track, just to see from above how many meters Chris can get away from me because of, well, 70cc,
15mm other exhaust, but yours is completely stock, eh?
completely original.
Yeah, you know for sure?
Yep.
No cheating?
No, definitely
Okay.
not. Factory original.
Okay,
So let's start them up
start the engines.
and let's see. A different procedure.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1,
Oh,
dat is wel duidelijk, denk ik.
that was terrible.
Stijn, shall we do it again?
I was even cycling and it's still, you just
No,
went.
that's cheating. Okay. Let's do it again. Okay, you count down.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Well, guys, that was a little bit obvious.
Yeah.
Of course, that's why you want to buy a tuning set, of course. Well,
We've reached 10K.
we reached 10K.
So, let's say you're not subscribed yet or you are subscribed. Comment it down below and comment your Instagram name as well and follow us on Instagram and TikTok as well. Do mention why do you want to win this set?
Do you have a stock Puch? Do you want to upgrade it? Did you destroy your old setup? Etc. And we'll choose the winner of this beautiful set. We'll dismantle this and send it all out to you. From now on, this is a kind of the start of the new season, so to say. So every now and then, we're not gonna promise you that next week is gonna be a video. It's just gonna be when we think, hey, this is a nice idea, so comment them down below as well. We'll try to do that and we'll upload it and you'll enjoy, hopefully.
See each other next time.
Later.
Bye bye.